Hey, what's up guys? Tamil here again, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to properly upload videos to YouTube and to publish automatically. So this is going to be more of a beginner's tutorial, so if you have not started doing YouTube videos, then this is definitely for you. Another thing too is I'm going to show you guys how to schedule your video as well. So if you have an account already, first thing that you want to do is you want to go into your account and log in. And you're going to want to go to the top of the screen of the home page where you see this kind of video camera right here in the right hand corner. You want to click on that. Click on that and it's going to say upload video. So go ahead and click upload video. And once you've clicked upload video, you're going to come to this screen where it gives you the option to drag and drop a file or to select file. So of course you obviously have to have the video on your computer already, and that way you can upload the file, and it should be an MP4 format, for you to publish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select file, and I've got my video right here on my desktop. I'm going to select this and hit open, and oftentimes if you have a long video, it's going to take a little while for this video to upload, but if it's 2 or 3 minute video, it shouldn't take that long to upload. So you can go ahead and upload it. It will say finish. Now once the video is done processing, you'll notice that it says finish processing down in the left hand corner. And another thing you'll notice is that your video has popped up over here to the right, and you're now giving the video link so you can actually use it to watch. So what we have here is what we call, I call it like a 1, 2, 3 step. This is something new. This didn't used to be like this, but now you've got, of course, the details, the video elements, and the visibility. So you can go ahead right here and continue with your title, description, and I see even down here the thumbnail if that's what you choose to do. But for now, we're just going to hit the next button because we're only 2 steps away from having it scheduled. So now what we have here is the video elements, and if you already have this or want to do this, you can add an end screen or you can add a card. That's the second element that it takes us to. So you can go ahead and add this here. I'm not going to get into this right now. That's for another video, but we're going to go ahead and click the next button so we can get to the last page. Now it's here on the last page where you are able to schedule this video if you want to, or you can publish it. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how to schedule the video. So if you want to put this video on schedule, you're going to hit this drop down button right here, drop down arrow, and you can choose the date that you want to have it scheduled. So I'm going to just choose randomly, say January 13th, and I'm going to schedule it for 8:15 a.m. So when you make this schedule, you want to keep in mind what time zone that you're in. So if you're in Eastern, Pacific, Central Standard Time, you need to keep that in mind because it's going to schedule according to, the local time zone. So make sure that, your time zone is, correct. So once you've got this right here correct, then we can actually go ahead and schedule this video. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to hit the schedule button. So we're going to hit schedule. Now that you have this schedule, it will tell you your video will be set public on January 13th at 8:15 a.m. And so now that's letting you know what time is scheduled. We can go ahead and close that. So you've uploaded the video and we've already scheduled it, and it's going to automatically by default bring you back to this page, which is your upload page. So you can see right here where it says scheduled already. So your video is scheduled and basically ready to go. It's going to automatically schedule on that date. Now let's say that you have, already have a video that's already uploaded. And so what you want to do is you want to that video scheduled. So I'm just going to scroll down here and just show you, for example, a video that I have already that's unlisted. And so I'm going to show you where you can make it schedule if you want to schedule one that's already uploaded. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go right here where it's already listed as probably private or unlisted. If you hit this down arrow, and what you're going to see automatically right here is scheduled. right here. So this is another place where you can find the schedule at, and go ahead and hit the drop down arrow, and it's going to give you basically the same option that I just showed you a second ago. You're going to be able to go ahead and schedule the date and the time, and you can hit the save button. I'm not going to do that here because I do not want to schedule this. I'm just using this as an example of a video. If you already have the video uploaded onto YouTube, you're going to either have it as unlisted or it's going to be private anyway. So you can go ahead and schedule this by, hitting the schedule drop down and, putting in the date and the time. So that's another way to schedule a video, but that's for those that you already uploaded. So now that you know how to properly upload your videos to YouTube and to schedule them automatically, now you're all set to go. Alright guys, so I hope you got some value out of this video today. Chances are if you found this video, then you're probably a beginner. You're looking to start, recording videos, or maybe you've already recorded the video and you're trying to find your way around, your login or your back office in YouTube, so you can begin to start scheduling videos. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this today, and if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. And if you're looking to learn more videos just like this for YouTube in terms of video marketing and scheduling, or some of these basic factors to learning how to just start doing some videos, then go ahead, subscribe to my channel. What I do here on my channel is I actually help people who want to start and grow an online business. And so I use video marketing to reach my potential customers and clients, and to reach my audience, because I teach people how to grow their business online. So I use video to do so. So if you want to learn any other type of elements for growing your business, you definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.